Let's take a look at best practice versus best fit in compensation systems. A strategic approach to pay aligns pay decisions with organizational strategy to achieve competitive advantage. The challenge is to design the fit with the environment, business strategy, and pay plan. The better the fit, the greater the competitive advantage. In contrast to the notion of strategic fit, some believe that there's a set of best pay practices and that these practices can be applied universally across situations. Rather than having a better fit between business strategy and compensation plans that yields better performance, they say that best practices results in better performance with almost any business strategy. Adopting best pay practices allows the employer to gain preferential access to better employees. These great employees, in turn, become the organization's source of competitive advantage. Research over the past few years is beginning to point as this to be the way to improve choices in compensation and in delivering strategic competitive advantage through compensation.